Okay, love bugs, I'm officially a part of the Curly Girl crew. Today I've teamed up with Beauty Forever and they sent me over this beautiful kinky curly wig. I went ahead and styled it in a curly cut, which was my first time and I definitely was nervous, but look at that. Now I cannot take all the credit. I did get help from social media, but for me I think it was like 3 steps. Cut the length of the hair at an angle this way and then this way, and then bring the bang forward and cut blunt across, which I think I did, and then I did another layer up here where it kind of paralleled this, and I don't know, I think I did an amazing job for my first time. I definitely have that height and that body in there and it just looks amazing. I can't take all of the credit because of course this one is a beautiful textured hair. It's so nice and moisturized as it is, but we did go ahead and do like a 1 product style, wash and go, wet and go as the natural girls will call it, on the length of the hair. We did like a little brush your teeth motion to come up with the baby hair look, and I like it. It's not too tame, not too perfect, but it's perfect at the same time. This one here is an upgraded wig cap, which makes it even better and 100% glueless. We get the removable combs. There are 2 in the front and 1 at the nape. You're able to Velcro and remove them as needed. The adjustable elastic band is in there, but it's also the upgraded nice thin one for a nice discreet feel. And then of course we got that drawstring in the back, which is one of my favorite features because you can adjust and make it nice and tight for your custom fit to make your wig glueless and not slip back. Any additional details I have on this unit are in the description box, including a direct link and maybe a coupon code. But if you want to see how I got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started.
Late night, city light, little bass in my heart, we gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at night, feeling low. Vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beat. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me, yeah, the circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can you know that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. By fall, I get back up stronger. Every step make the dream feel closer. No fear now, I'm moving smarter. This my time, I'm going far. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Every single beat got my heart on tilt. From the dark to the glow, yeah, I built this feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. Hands up high, let the moment fly. Every single voice singing side by side. If you feel this now, yeah, you know it's real. We on the move, yeah, the whole world feels it. Late night, city lights. If you dreaming, you alive.
Bedeck in the spotlight. Sun up, hair tied, moving on a mission. Kids yelling mom every 5 minutes. Coffee in hand, but the cup's half missing. Still making magic like a mom, a magician. Packing up lunches, find a missing shoe. Somebody spilled juice, nothing new. Husband laughing, babe, how do you do? I just smile like watch, I always pull through. Juggling the house, the love the crew. Running on grace, but the strength feels new. Some days crazy, some days smooth. But love is the rhythm I dance right through. It's a mom life, Ashley, but living in a high life. Wife life, dance mom nights under bright lights. Sports mom sidelines, cheering with the crowd hype. Yeah, we do it all, but we do it with a warm smile. It's the mama, balancing it out with a little bit of God style. Even when the world goes wild, she's still steady with the love that goes the extra mile. Dance bags packed, hair bows tight, glitter on the floor even late at night. Mom, can you film this? Mom, can you pray right? Yeah, baby, hold still, we'll get it just right. Then game day hits, now we switch the lanes. Cleats in the trunk, and sunshine and rain. Screaming in the stands like the team's last game. Rocking that jersey like it carries her name. And when a house gets loud, she breathes it in. Messy moments of the memory she'll keep within. It ain't perfect, but it's perfect how our days begin. Love multiplies every time she pours it in. This is mom life, Ashley, but living in the highlight. Wife life, dance mom nights under bright lights. Sports mom sidelines, cheering with the crowd hype. Yeah, we do it all, but we do it with a warm smile. It's the mama, balancing it all with a little bit of God style. Even when the world goes wild, she's still steady with the love that goes the extra mile. From the carpool lanes to the late night chores, to the hugs from the kids she's fighting for. Ashley Bedeck, she's the heart, the core. Mom life, but it's love even more, even more.
Okay, love bugs, get a load of the finished look. I am so excited. Now clap for me, round of applause, because this is my first official curly cut. I in fact have never as many curly wigs as I have styled. Even with my natural hair and my daughters plural natural hair, I've never attempted a curly cut before. And I'm not gonna say I ate, but I ate a little bit. Like this for my first curly cut, I think came out absolutely amazing. I'm always nervous because I feel like I'm gonna mess it up, and you can't undo it if you mess it up. But I did watch a young lady's video, Bree Johnson, on the other app. I just watched her video and she broke it down so simple. Literally was like, she said cut across once and then cut at an angle on this one, cut at an angle on this one, bring your bang essentially forward, cut it straight across, and then where that bang is, that top layer, cut it out to match this. And that's what I did. And again, I was a little bit nervous. Also, I'm using like cuticle scissors. I definitely need to get a pair of scissors to keep down here because I don't have any cosmetology or hair scissors down here. So if I would have had the right scissors and a little bit more nerve or courage, I think I would have gotten it perfect. But for my first time, I definitely did amazing. I got nervous because it was uneven for a second, and then like I couldn't angle it this way and use these tiny scissors. So I think I did an amazing job. Feel free to leave me some tips in the description box on how to do even better than what I did. But again, I think once I have some scissors and a little bit more practice, we're gonna perfect this. This one also did have the natural edges, which at first I had kind of like trimmed them and like made them very uniform. And then when it came out of the melt belt, I just decided to just literally like do circular motions, like, you know, like you're brushing your teeth or something like that. And I think that looks a lot better. Like this doesn't need to be too uniform or perfect. The cut literally is the magic in this one, and the baby hair, in my opinion, just brings it together. Before we head out, this one did come from Beauty Forever, and this, as always, is their packaging. Or actually, this is an upgrade. I don't know if I've ever received one of these types of totes for them, but really nice. It is just a reusable tote, nice and large, perfect for like makeup, toiletries, or even just storage for your unit. And it does say Beauty Forever on both sides. Inside obviously was the wig. We also received the melt belt, which we used in the video. We got a sheet of the Bye Bye Knots wig tape, which is perfect for the girly who wants to go ahead and tape her wig down, the lace that is. We also got 2 packs of the HD wig caps. And then of course we got the dust bag, which it does have that Beauty Forever on there, and it's the perfect red to match with all of their other accessories. Look at how good that looks. I feel like I did this side better, so we're gonna work on this one, but I don't want to keep cutting it, then you know, it becomes like a shorter and shorter bob. And this one here is a 7x5 Bye Bye Knots lace wig in the length 20 inches. Any additional information I have on this one, including a direct link and maybe even any coupons or sales or promotions going on, I will have all of that in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.